Love the shades, man.
Thanks po.
Anong kakantahin niyo, Maymay?
Hanggang kailan po?
By Originals.
Bakit yun na napili ninyo?
Kasi favorite pong karaoke song. Charot. Hindi, it's the passion eh. Na lagi mo kong babalik-balikan. You go, umuwi ka. So, umuwi ka na, baby.
Paggising ko today, I felt nervous because I was thinking, no coaches would...
Gustong-gusto po sana talaga namin si Chito po.
Chito Miranda.
Madami na siyang alam dito sa industry na to. So baka siya yung isa sa pwedeng makapag-guide sa amin what to do best sa pag-explore.
Yan. Minsan kailangan daw talaga ng konting nervousness eh. Di ba? Para yun yung magpapalabas ng talagang kung ano man yung tinatago ninyo.
Hey!
Ay! Tumpak, May. Good luck, ha? Good luck.
Naisip po namin The Queens. It's a very big inspiration as my group name with Ate May po. I like the band Queen po.
And because I am a queen. Hi, I'm Mai. I'm 26.
Hi, I'm Bjorn. I'm 16.
We are the Queens. I'm a part before of the Philippine Madrigal Singers. Ako po yung youngest soprano before. Currently, I'm studying at UP Diliman College of Music. Choral conducting po.
I'm turning grade 11 this year po.
Siya po yung mas excited eh. Ate, let's do this.